Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb show up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb show up is to arrive at a place you have arranged to be. The man is beginning to feel impatient because his date is 30 minutes late. When is she going to show up? I've been waiting ages. When she pitched her ideas to the company, it was a huge success. I showed up fully prepared and blew my audience away. Meaning two of show up is to begin to be seen. The doctors examined the X-ray to see the extent of the injury. After looking through the X-ray, a broken bone has shown up. We must now look at the best rehabilitation route. After years of success, the company's strategy is beginning to wane. Cracks have begun to show up, and it feels like we've hit a wall. We need a new approach before things get any worse. Meaning three of show up is to embarrass someone by doing something better than them, or showing that they can't do something at all. The employee ran into a system issue while the manager was with him. A colleague jumped at the chance to show off his skills. He fixed the issue I was having so he could show me up in front of our manager. The winner of the singing competition was voted in by a landslide. They were miles better than everyone else and really showed them all up. So let's look back on what we've covered. Show up can mean to arrive at a place you have arranged to be. The candidate showed up 15 minutes early for his interview. To begin to be seen. After many years, wrinkles began to show up across the model's eyes. To embarrass someone by doing something better than them, or showing that they can't do something at all. He's just lazy and doesn't know the job at all, and I showed him up for what he is. Where did you hear the phrasal verb show up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.